Jim Bear from RJO Futures. Okay, notes and bonds. Buyer's remorse, alive and well. 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks after major tops were put in. I mean, the people that chased notes and bonds up in mid-February to those highs have really had a rough time of it. Notes have backed off almost 4 points. Yields are up 35 basis points or so on if you flip it over on the cash side, and no bounce. No bounce today. Stocks are higher for the most part. That stocks that have led this bounce, and there's a seller's remorse going on there big time, obviously. Stocks that have led this bounce include material stocks and energy stocks, and to some extent financial stocks are up significantly again today. Tech stocks are having a much harder time. I believe the NASDAQ is lower as we speak. And so, maybe we become a little more two-sided and possibly become a little more two-sided in notes and bonds as we go through the week. There are auctions this week. There's a 10-year on Wednesday and a 30-year on Thursday. Typically the pattern is to press a little bit yields into those things, and we get a dealer-sponsored rally afterwards. So we'll have to see. The data is very light, very light. Auctions are really the big deal of the week. There was some news about Treasury ETFs. It was the first big withdrawal last week of almost $300 million from these popular ETFs, which shows, we may be near a more balanced market. The bulls have sort of given up on these instruments on a near-term basis. Yet there is no inflation. I should mention, of course, last Friday's unemployment number being better than expected, added to the woes of the bulls in notes and bonds. But wage increases were in control. There is no inflation. I think we'll start to trade a little firmer as the week goes on. We'll have to see what the stocks do. If the stocks can fall back a little bit, I mean, obviously they would open the door to higher note and bond prices. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Give me a ring. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.